In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Market Playback on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open up NinjaTrader, you want to click on Connections up top and you want to click on Playback. Once you do that here, you first have to load in some market replay data. So down here, you can go ahead and select the instrument. We're going to go ahead and select Bitcoin USD for this instance, and then the date. So we're just going to do the 1st of October, 2025, and then you want to click on Download. And then after that's loading over here, it's going to load for a few seconds. There we go. You want to click on continue, and you're going to see this kind of playback window to use for market replay. After that, you can just go ahead and create a new chart like this. Click on new, click on chart, and then you want to select the instrument you had over there. So I'm going to do Bitcoin USD. And as you can see, the data is going to start loading up over here on this chart. And then once that's done loading, there we go, you can now see the chart, and you can then set the start and the end date you would like to do. And whenever you want to actually start using the market playback, just click on this play button. And as you can see over here, the market is now going on. It's starting on the 1st of October 2025. Over here, you can see the price movements, etc. So that's how you use market playback on NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.